Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable BitLocker on your Windows PC. BitLocker is a powerful tool that helps protect your data by encrypting your drive. Follow along with me as I guide you through each step to secure your data with BitLocker. Let's get started. In the Windows search bar, type Edit Group Policy. Press Enter. In the Local Group Policy Editor, navigate to Computer Configuration on the left side. Go to Administrative Templates and then Windows Components. Find and click on BitLocker Drive Encryption, then open the Fixed Data Drives folder. In the right panel, double-click on Allow Access to BitLocker Protected Fixed Data Drive. Select Enabled. Click Apply, then OK. Close the Local Group Policy Editor. Again, go to the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Press Enter. Go to System and Security. Click on BitLocker Drive Encryption. Select Turn on BitLocker. Enter your password, re-enter your password, and then click Next. Select any option you want to save your recovery key. I selected Save to a Microsoft account. Click Next. Click on Activate BitLocker, then restart your PC. After restarting, go to your PC. You will see that Drive E is locked. Click on it. Enter your BitLocker password and press Enter. Congratulations, BitLocker has been successfully set up on your PC. That's it. Your data is now more secure and protected. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials.